Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kasorkar jela haga khatlai tarik unai wing arjar khat khandai kala khot ya jing yalang ya ki laingut ki chief executive member jong ki laitali ki autonomous district council bakentup ya ka khasi jaintia bat Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ban ya kren sani halor ka jing terwa jong kasorkar India ban wanra ya ka jing penbek thamai halor ka kernit ban riu Hagani ke Jingyalang nakaliang jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat naka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council lawani shimenta dagi Chief Executive Member kata uba Tainwell Dhar bat uma Thombor Shiwat kat ba nakaliang jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council lawan mikmat tang uwei u Executive Member. Ya ka Jingyalang la penya hi dau Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad K Sangma haga balai don langru usembut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tunsong u Menteri Ketenat Kampo Yeng u James P.K. Sangma u Menteri Ketenat Transport uma Sniaw Halang Dhar u Menteri Ketenat Penroisor uba Hamletson Doling u Menteri Ketenat PHE uba Samlin Malyang bat giwei-giwei U Menteri Ketenat District Council Affairs ka Sorkar Jela u James P.K. Sangma hakajing keren bat kilat pathai kubor ulayatu bahagane kajing alang lapan ru ya kajing ai jengmut bat kajing sngau jong ki Chief Executive Member halor kane kajing terwa ban wanra ya kajing penbek thamai ya ka 6 schedule ya ka balapan khamti ban bishar bania daga Parliamentary Standing Committee balatung daga Rajya Sabha
which we discussed was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule, which, as you all know, is presently with the Standing Committee of Parliament, and we briefed the 3 ADCs of the present status and sought any more suggestions or concerns which they would be having, so that we move forward in unison and we have consensus on issues. So that was discussed, and the 3 district councils and the government of Meghalaya, we are on the same page in regards to the concerns that are there in regards to the amendment of the 6th schedule. We have raised certain issues. The increase of number of seats, we are not going into that. The only issue that is of concern, which has been raised by the 3 ADCs, was more towards the word inclusion of the word unrepresented tribes. So this is something that the 3 ADCs have unanimously been very, very clear about. No ambiguity on the matter, that they do not want the word unrepresented tribes included in the amendment to the 6th schedule. No, I mean, of course, when the process of increase in the number of seats takes place, then, Garo Hills, as per the agreed text of settlement, yes. So then only mentions an increase in the number of seats. It doesn't mention that from such number to such number. It just mentions the increase of number of seats. So from that point of view, yes, that that was the basis for the GHADC, and I think that the increase of number of seats is something that has been discussed not just once, twice, many a times, especially, and also when Joint Secretary Northeast MHA had come, and during the course of those discussions also that was discussed.